Hey guys, today I'm going to show you our budget awning installation. Let's get right into it.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
I ordered these brackets from Northwesty. They're marketed as brackets for the 1980 to 1991 Vanagon, but they're also compatible with the 2002 to the 2006 Sprinter. These brackets are designed to mount an ARB awning, but ARB was out of our budget, so I slightly modified the brackets to mount this $130 awning from eBay. As always, you guys can find the links to these in the description. I decided it would be easiest for me to get the brackets on the van first, then install the awning onto the brackets using the slider door, and then I tightened everything up.
Smoking water?
Got awning. You know how they go first.
Yeah.
This awning does take some effort to set up since it's all manual, but after setting it up a few times, you start to get the swing of things. It definitely helps having two people.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Hit the subscribe button if you got any value. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next week.